Hi Udoers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can change date format in Odoo for reports. So first, let me go to accounting module. I will download a report and will show you the format, current format. Let's suppose I'm going to this invoice and May 6. It means that month, date, and year. Let me print it. Let me show you the date format on Odoo on the invoice. Continue. Let me save it. Open it. Now you can see the date format is month, date, and year. Now we will go to Odoo and we will change this date format to new date format. For this, we will go to general setting. In general setting, here we have languages section. In languages, we will click on manage languages and we will go to English. Currently we are using this language, English, and here we can set different things on invoices. For direction, we are currently using left to right. For some like Gulf countries, they're using Arabic format. So for Arabic format, they use right to left. So we can change that direction here as well. We can change separator format, international grouping, and the other one is Indian grouping here, decimal separator, thousand separator, and then we have date format here. Currently the format is month, date, and year. We will change it to like date, month, and year. Let me save it. We can also change the time format and first day of week. Now it is saved. Now I am going back to accounting module, customers, invoices. Let me open the same invoice. Let me print it. Now we will check this format of this invoice. Save it. Open it. Now you can see the invoice date format has been changed to first it is coming date, then month, and then year. This invoice was created on 6th May 2026. So now its date format is there, and the previous date format was this one. Month was coming first, then date, then year. But now in this we have changed this format to date, month, and year. So in this way we can change the date format in Odoo easily. Thank you so much.